In modern warfare, not every dangerous weapon comes with a massive price tag. Sometimes the most effective weapons are the cheapest ones. That is exactly why Iranian Shahed drones have become such a serious concern for the United States and its allies in the Middle East. These drones may look simple compared to advanced fighter jets or high-end missile systems, but on the battlefield, they are proving to be highly disruptive, difficult to manage, and extremely cost-effective. The real challenge is not just the drone itself, it is the number of drones that can be launched at once. When multiple Shahed drones are fired in a swarm, air defense systems come under intense pressure. Radars must detect them, tracking systems must follow them, and interceptor missiles must be launched quickly enough to destroy them before they reach their target. But here is where the problem becomes even more serious. The drones are relatively cheap to build, while the missiles used to stop them are extremely expensive. In many cases, a drone that costs only thousands of dollars may force a defense system to respond with interceptors worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. This creates a dangerous imbalance. It means that even if the United States succeeds in shooting down many of these drones, it may still be losing financially. Military experts often describe this as a war of economics as much as a war of firepower. And that is what makes the Shahed drone strategy so effective. It is designed to exhaust the enemy, not only physically, but financially and operationally. A large-scale drone attack can stretch air defense networks, consume valuable missile stockpiles, and expose weaknesses in systems that were originally designed to stop aircraft and ballistic missiles, not slow-moving, low-flying drones coming in large numbers. This has raised serious questions about whether traditional air defense systems are fully prepared for this new era of warfare. Because today, the battlefield is changing. The threat is no longer just fast jets or long-range missiles. It is also cheap drones, mass-produced, launched in waves, and used to overwhelm even the most advanced military defenses in the world. Iran's progress in drone warfare has shown that modern conflict is no longer controlled only by those with the most expensive weapons. Sometimes low-cost technology used with the right strategy can challenge even the strongest military powers. And that leads to the biggest question of all. If low-cost drones can force superpowers to spend billions on defense, then what will the future of war look like? Will advanced armies adapt in time, or are swarm drones becoming one of the most powerful weapons of the modern age?